right, let's look at nouns. Nouns can be a person, place, thing, or an idea. How can we find our nouns in a sentence? Well, there are a couple of things we can ask ourselves. One, can you count it? Can there be more than one of them? Can there be one tree? Yes, there can. That means it's a noun. Number two, can you add a, an, or the in front of it? The tree, the car? Yes, then it's a noun. All right, so let's look at these sentences here. We have the dog ran. Well, we see that we have the in front of it, so we know that we're going to have a noun right after the. Now, the what? The dog ran. So sometimes we can just ask ourselves a question like, who or what? Who or what ran? The dog. Dog is the noun. Let's look at a fish jumped. A fish jumped. What? What jumped? A fish. So we know that fish is a noun, and we would mark it on the top like this. Let's look at the happy dog jumped up and down. Now we see that sometimes the is not going to come directly in front of or with the noun. The what? The dog jumped up and down. So it's dog is the noun. A pretty flower was on the table. Okay, well, what was on the table? The flower. So flower is the noun. But there's another noun hiding on here. Where was the flower? The flower was on a table. A table is a thing, isn't it? Yes, it is. A table is a noun. So we would mark both of these with an N. An elephant can carry a person. All right. We know that we need a, an, or the to find the nouns. So we have an and we have a. So we're going to have at least two nouns in the sentence. A what? A person. Person. That's a person. And then we have an what? An elephant. So both of those are nouns, and we would mark them with an N to help us remember. Okay? So these are our nouns, and this is how you find them. You can count them. Can you have more than one elephant? Yes. Can you add a, an, or the in front of it? An elephant? Yes. The elephant? Yes. And if you can ask who or what is doing the action, that will help you find the nouns.